Carrier error code P2 is a critical diagnostic indicator in HVAC systems, signaling that the compressor's top temperature has exceeded safe operating limits. This error triggers an automatic protective shutdown to safeguard the compressor from overheating damage. The system monitors the temperature at the compressor's top using a built-in sensor. This is a crucial safety feature designed to protect the compressor's internal components from thermal stress. Overheating can cause oil breakdown, refrigerant leaks, or complete compressor failure. The image shows the internal components of the advanced scroll temperature protection system, including valves and machinery that work together to monitor and regulate temperature. The system automatically shuts down when the compressor's top temperature reaches between 150 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 65 to 93 degrees Celsius. This diagram illustrates how proper airflow around the compressor is essential for maintaining safe temperatures. Cool air must flow across the unit to carry away heat. Ignoring this error code can result in expensive repairs, including compressor replacement that may cost over $1,000, along with other component damage and system downtime. This cutaway view shows the intricate internal mechanisms, including fins and valves, that ensure the temperature protection system functions properly. Several factors can trigger the P2 error code in carrier HVAC systems, all related to compressor overheating. Let's examine the main causes. High ambient temperatures are a common trigger. When the surrounding air is extremely hot, the compressor cannot effectively release its heat, leading to overheating at the top. Dirty condenser coils are another major cause. When coils become coated with dirt, pollen, or debris, they cannot transfer heat efficiently. This restricts airflow and traps heat around the compressor. Low refrigerant levels can also cause the P2 error. When refrigerant is low, the system cannot cool effectively, forcing the compressor to run longer and generate more heat. A faulty compressor fan is a direct cause of P2 errors. If the fan isn't working properly, it cannot pull air over the compressor to cool it down, causing the temperature to spike quickly. In summary, the P2 error occurs when something interferes with the compressor's ability to stay cool. This could be environmental factors, maintenance issues, or mechanical failures. Start diagnosing the P2 error with a visual inspection of the outdoor unit. Look for debris blocking the condenser coils. These coils can become clogged with dirt or residue. Check that the fan is running smoothly without any obstructions or unusual noises. Make sure the area around the unit is clear to allow proper airflow. Remove any plants or objects that could block the unit. These initial checks are simple but effective in resolving many P2 error issues. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, the temperature sensor itself might be faulty. Use a multimeter to check the sensor's resistance. A typical thermistor should read between 10 to 50 k-ohms at room temperature. Refer to your carrier service manual for the specific resistance range for your model. Inaccurate readings suggest a sensor replacement is needed. First, use a multimeter to test the temperature sensor's resistance. This helps determine if the thermistor is functioning correctly. Here's a tutorial guide showing how to test a thermistor with a digital multimeter. Notice the multimeter connected to the thermistor for resistance measurement. At room temperature, a typical thermistor should show resistance between 10,000 and 50,000 ohms. This is the standard range for most carrier units. Always check your carrier service manual for the exact resistance specifications for your specific model, as ranges can vary. If the multimeter readings fall outside the specified range, the sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced to resolve the P2 error. Remember, temperature sensors are crucial components in HVAC systems, helping prevent compressor overheating, as shown in this system diagram. Airflow problems often stem from dirty condenser coils that restrict air movement. When coils are clogged with dust and debris, the system can't dissipate heat properly, leading to compressor overheating and the P2 error. To fix dirty coils, start by spraying them with a specialized coil cleaner. Then, use a soft brush or fin comb to gently remove debris without damaging the fins. Rinse thoroughly and ensure water drains properly to prevent future issues. Refrigerant leaks reduce system efficiency, making the compressor overheat. Common signs of low refrigerant include the AC not cooling properly, a burning smell from overheated components, and visible leaks. To diagnose leaks, use specialized detectors that sense refrigerant gases. Always have a certified technician handle repairs and recharging, as refrigerant handling requires proper equipment and certification to ensure safety and system integrity. Newer Carrier HVAC units, especially those in the Infinity and Performance series, benefit greatly from firmware updates that enhance system performance and reliability. These updates specifically target the sensors that monitor compressor temperature, making them more precise and less prone to false alarms. By ensuring your unit's firmware is up to date, you can prevent unnecessary shutdowns and maintain optimal performance. For example, recent firmware versions like 2.5.1 have been released to address these issues, providing better temperature monitoring and reducing error occurrences by up to 30%, according to Carrier's reports. Carrier Connect and similar smart platforms provide powerful tools for managing your HVAC system. These apps enable real-time monitoring of your unit's performance, allowing you to track temperature sensors and other vital metrics from your smartphone. Remote diagnostics allow technicians to access your system's data without being on site, leading to faster identification and resolution of P2 errors. This technology can detect issues early and guide repairs more efficiently. By staying current with firmware and utilizing smart diagnostic platforms, you can significantly improve your HVAC system's reliability and reduce the likelihood of encountering P2 compressor temperature protection errors. Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent overheating and system shutdowns. By staying proactive, you can avoid the P2 error code and keep your HVAC system running efficiently. Schedule annual HVAC checkups to maintain system health. This includes cleaning the condenser coils to remove dirt and debris that can cause overheating. Also, inspect refrigerant levels to ensure proper charge and verify that the fan is operating correctly for adequate airflow. Installing a mesh cover over your outdoor AC unit prevents debris buildup on the condenser coils. This simple step significantly reduces the risk of P2 errors by maintaining clear airflow and preventing overheating. Proactive sensor checks are essential. Regularly testing temperature sensors, as recommended by HVAC experts, can extend your compressor's life by 5 to 7 years and prevent P2 errors from faulty readings. HVAC technology is shifting toward predictive maintenance, using data to anticipate issues before they occur. IoT-enabled systems connect devices for real-time data sharing, while AI algorithms analyze patterns to make automatic adjustments. For example, AI can automatically adjust fan speeds to prevent overheating, reducing the likelihood of P2 errors. Eco-friendly refrigerants like R32 operate at higher temperatures, helping to minimize P2 incidents in new systems. Advancements in sensor technology provide more accurate monitoring, further reducing P2 errors in the future. These developments promise a future where P2 incidents are significantly minimized through smarter, more efficient HVAC systems.